In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use more than 3 indicators in TradingView. If you're like most traders looking to enhance your chart analysis, using multiple indicators is crucial. Let's explore a few methods to accommodate more indicators on your charts. First, let's talk about upgrading your plan. TradingView offers a variety of paid plans, each allowing you to use more indicators per chart than the free plan. If you find yourself frequently limited by the number of indicators, consider one of these options. The Essential plan, also known as Pro, allows for up to 5 indicators per chart. Meanwhile, the Plus or Pro Plus plan increases this capacity to 10 indicators. And if you're looking to use a multitude of indicators, the Premium plan allows for 25 indicators per chart. This route offers a straightforward solution with native support, ensuring you make the most out of the TradingView platform by directly increasing the indicator capacity. Now, if you're not planning on upgrading, you can still creatively bypass the indicator limit using PineScript. It's an efficient way to combine multiple indicators into a single script. Start by opening your Pine editor on TradingView. From there, create a new indicator. Remember, only one header is allowed in this new script. Next, you'll need to integrate the logic from each of your desired indicators into this single script. Be careful here. Make sure to rename variables to prevent any conflicts between different sets of logic. Once that's done, plot all the indicators together. You have the flexibility to display them either as an overlay on the main chart or scaled within the same pane, depending on your preference. This approach allows you to design a custom script that effectively handles multiple indicators and keeps your chart organized, all while remaining within the limitations of TradingView's free or lower-tier plans. Another innovative way to get around the indicator limit is by using a tool called Pinify. This is a no-code solution that simplifies the process of merging multiple indicators into one Pine script. Pinify is a third-party tool that automatically combines your chosen indicators into a singular script without needing any coding skills. Just select the indicators you want to use, and Pinify will generate a combined script for you. Copy this code, paste it into the Pine editor on TradingView, and add it to your chart. By doing so, even if you are on the free plan, you can effectively surpass the usual indicator limits without manual coding, making it a practical and user-friendly option. And there you have it, a couple of methods to use more than 3 indicators in TradingView. Whether you choose to upgrade or harness the power of PineScript and Pinify, you can maximize your trading analysis today.